Let's do this. We know the base. Memory array.
Hello, I'm out the lecture. It was cut short. What exciting things are happening this week? As always, things can be very spontaneous. For example, it's a beautiful day today. Tomorrow, Tuesday, pub quiz with gusts. Wednesday, don't know what's happening then. And on Thursday, it's dinner with industry. It's a networking event with the Engineering Society and various companies. Fairly formal affair. Should have good fun though. Right now, I've got a lab. Bye.
What's up, Caitlin's vlog?
Hey.
Team Excite, ready to change the world.
Plan.
Minutes. If you have any questions, please come and see us now before 5:55 p.m. The library will close tonight at 2 a.m.
Yummy. Meeting went well. I am free, and the sunlight is gorgeous tonight. Bye. Hello! Last week we got some beer from Dave, some home-brewed beer. Well, not quite that dodgy, it's been properly done. Tonight it's taste test time. Let's crack it open, shall we? I reckon so. There's on it. What's the funny colour?
It's an amber ale, actually. Dave said it's not quite a pint though. They're not allowed to serve blue wine.
Is it impotent?
It's got quite a malty smell. Yeah, it's quite malty.
He said it was difficult to get head. Taste test!
It's alright.
Better than tenants?
I don't know if I've ever had tenants. It's not the best I've ever had, but it's not the worst. It tastes slightly watery.
Yeah, it
You get
does.
that.
And there's a little bit of an aftertaste.
You can tell it's not just a generic. It's not particularly hoppy. I quite like hoppy beer.
Hoppy makes you happy.
Yeah, hoppy makes me happy. I like that bitter bit, that's hops. You know, like when you smell beer, you know, like that aftertaste, that is the hops. I could drink it.
Yeah, I'm gonna
It's
drink
better
it.
than some. Good work, Dave.
Good work, Dave.
At that point, you have an acceptable truncation error and an acceptable round-off error. Please remember, 31st of October, our lecture, I've got the sweeties, come dressed up. Last year, 6 rather inventive students came as the block diagram for my springtime. It was a moment of my life.
Sometimes better components are cheaper just because they sell a lot of them. Arrange the components in order of their merit.
To get the bandwidth, you want to come down by a factor of 1 over root 2.
Leaves. Piggy ons. My tree. Uni done. Gonna re-affiliate this society. Let us go. I'm so blustery.
It's part of the video put on that Winnie the Pooh song when it's like blustery and you know the
inspiration.
Blustery days, seems that it may turn out to be feels that it will undoubtedly looks like a rather blustery day. Why no?
We have, or rather Sarah, has handed in the re-affiliation forms for gusts. Quite appropriate that we did it on a blustery day. Oh gosh. Art and poster sale, that's good. Great. Thank you. Thanks. Successful yield. Decor time soon. Bye.
just tell her that needs to be higher.
Yeah. Do you have to tune it every time?
Normally it's fairly in tune. It goes out a little because you know the temperature affects it. But it's pretty much in tune.
Good.
To get the notes even. That's better than last last time.
Nice. Hello. In electronic systems design today, the lecturer kept going on about dinner parties and what he'd have at the dinner party, and kind of put Sarah and I in the mood for a roast. So that's exactly what we're gonna make tonight. Gonna be very tasty. Gonna herb up the vegetables. Sarah's all excited. Let's do it. We don't have any tinfoil, so I am on a tinfoil run. Let's go. If you were tinfoil, where would you be? Success. First outsides, insides last. If you know, you know. Yes, the roast is coming together. In the videos, it looks like you do everything, which is kind of true. Oh, yes. No worries, so good. This is why you should go to lectures and be inspired. Yeah. Food choices. Oh, yum. I love carrots. Yes, check it out. Dead plants, wrapping. Oh, yes. Yes. Yes, it's amazing.
Been together separately.
Question 1. What does the J in Homer J. Simpson stand for?
Are you friendly?
For the vlog. Thank you.
We have the same thing.
Is that alright? That's fine. Hey!
What is the maximum amount of points a snooker player can get in a single frame, providing the opponent does not foul? If your opponent does not
Yeah,
foul.
sure.
Muhammad Ali's birth name before he converted to Islam?
Thank you. Do you mind being in my vlog?
What was the vlog about?
Yeah, it's just me. For all 27 of my subscribers.
Wait, why do you do it?
Dementia protection. What?
Alright, fair enough.
Or prevention. So when I'm older, I can watch that and I shouldn't get it.
Not actually a charitable cause.
Which of the following was Madonna's best-selling UK single?
Yes!
Right here.
Madonna's babe.
What city was pioneering mathematical physicist James Clerk Maxwell born in?
He's got
James
a
Clerk
statue in
Maxwell
Edinburgh.
born in.
Yeah, I think it's Edinburgh.
Fashion figure here. Look at those horn-rimmed glasses. Mrs.
She's married to Danny.
I just don't think it's right to put her in terms of a man. She's got her own identity.
Okay, so round 1, film and television. Question 1.
J! Yes!
I'm going to say I have to finish the question. What does the J in Homer J. Simpson stand for?
J! Hey!
What is the term used to describe the score of a game of tennis that's tied at 40?
Juice!
Juice, Caitlin again?
Yeah!
She's from Dublin.
I'm from Dublin.
What city was pioneering mathematical physicist James Clerk Maxwell?
Edinburgh.
Of course.
Mrs. DeVito.
Margaret Atwood, that's correct.
Novelist.
Number 5.
Taken of one.
Yeah, of course the
But
university
it's
counts.
okay because there's no trophy.
We should have just done terribly together with spoon.
Last place was Valiant the 10th was H2O with 8 points. We've got some canned tuna and a wooden spoon. And a can of tuna. I'm going to announce first place. You get first dibs on 2 of these prizes. There is the Mummy Return. No, not the
Penguin's
Return.
still up
The
for
original July first season. Some Lotus Biscuit peanut butter. Some reusable toaster packs. Some
Marmite.
and lemon curd.
What about the penguin?
Number 1 who gets first dibs.
Take the penguin anyway.
Win close with 28.
Well done, the university counts.
My god, what a surprise.
Oh no.
Took the penguin.
Thank you very much for taking part. We'll announce the raffle. So we've got some Supreme Cat here. Cables. Yeah! Number 185. I'm so sorry.
I'm going to go slightly up class now. Gin flavoured chocolates. This might actually be. You're probably right. Number 51.
Oh! Would have enjoyed that one.
These are 3 scented candles from IKEA.
Let's get them.
So strongly scented that my missus told me to get them out of the house. They're going in your house. Number 144.
Just draw one in.
The next one's a classic.
Let's get this.
A big box of chocolates.
Oh, yes, amen.
That's a low number. It's 31.
Oh,
yes.
Yes, Annie.
My parents are dentists.
Tiny bottle of wine. Tiny
Go
bottle
with
of
this one.
wine.
We're gonna get nothing, are we?
151.
Well done.
A mug which says, seriously though, can I not just relax and enjoy this without being constantly fucking hounded? It's number 50.
Yeah!
Number 50 is one.
Thank you.
I think you're going to be severely disappointed by the mug.
Oh, no, I'm buzzing, Nick. Thank you.
Okay.
We won something, Sarah.
Still got 9 more tickets.
Yes.
That's a quite useful prize.
Thanks very much for coming. There's been a really nice combination of signs that have come together in this.
Good evening, or maybe good morning? I don't know what time is it. Good morning. We have returned from the Gusts pub quiz, but we did not return empty-handed. I won a mug in the raffle, and Sarah didn't win anything. But
Gifted.
yeah, she was gifted some chocolate biscuits. Yum. Thank you, Ali. M&S, yes.
Not just any biscuits. M&S biscuits.
See, well, I know we will. Bye. Good Wednesday morning. Oh God. Good Wednesday morning. On my way to devices. Take me to church.
The first is thermo-ionic emission.
Alright, I'm at the devices lecture and I've been in the Fraser building for a little while editing vlog from kind of two weeks ago, I think. I'm letting down the fans of my 27 subscribers. Oh, and I didn't talk about the lab. Well, it was called a lab, but was it really a lab? I'm not convinced. We went in and answered questions about semiconductors, the capacitance of diodes, and we watched someone measure the capacitance of a diode. Then we answered more questions. We also measured the current voltage characteristics of a diode. I didn't think it was really a lab, but the next one should be a lab for me. I'm catching up with Sarah and doing more video editing now. Good day, chums.
You know what you want to. You're making eye contact, you're smiling at me in that knowing way. Rather than
In that directive summary, making it very clear what the document is and why somebody should be reading it. So the crucial bit is the main body where most of the information is going to go.
That's good.
Really cool product ideas. I don't want you all coming back with the exact same thing. We're going to actually think different sort of approaches, different problems that we can solve using the product. Don't worry, nobody has to sing.
Good evening, chummies! Those last couple of clips I showed you, what were they? Well, for engineering career skills today, we had a creativity workshop. Usually I find those kind of things really fun, but today I wasn't really feeling it, to be honest. It finished at around 4:15 instead of 5, which is timetabled. I've got an assignment due. Need to write 350 words. Seems like absolutely nothing. And to go alongside the writing, I'm to do a diagram. Gonna have fun making that, I'm sure. I have dinner with industry tomorrow. I've bought my ticket. I haven't been to that event in previous years, so get to see what it's like. Right now, I'm super sleepy, so good night. Sleep well. I know I will. See you in the morning. Woo! Good Thursday morning. Feel a little bit phlegmy today, but I thought I'd keep that in the vlog because this is a realistic vlog. The number of very unflattering camera angles I've included may suggest that I can't wait to infect everybody. I hope I don't, but you know, I need to get that tuition, attendance, devices now. Take me to church!
The maximum potential and the function of
second block of devices done. Communication systems, let's go!
Frequency of laser. There's a finite width there due to windowing spectrum analyzers do. We're not resolving individual frequencies here, we're seeing them as a peak with some width that depends on the windowing function of the instrument. In pulsed operation, we'd see a sequence of spikes. Those frequencies are equally spaced by 2 pi over the period of the train, multiplied by the overall spectrum.
That's meeting. Hey, and we're out! We met with our team mentor and he thinks we're making good progress. One of our ideas to improve efficiency and to get more power was to use a hydrophobic coating on the panels so that water and debris would be repelled and you wouldn't have to pay for as much maintenance and cleaning. But we don't know how much the hydrophobic coating would affect the PV performance. So our mentor has suggested that we do an experiment with FES, which is the company that built my high school. So we'd have 2 panels, one's a control and the other would be a solar cell covered in a hydrophobic coating, and we can compare the data from both panels and see the impact. Looking forward to doing that experiment. Dinner with industry soon. Catch up with you later. Hey! Dinner with industry tonight. Exciting times ahead. I don't really know what to expect. I'm wearing a dress. What? I'm wearing a white blazer just to make my teeth look extra yellow. Don't know who I'm going to be sitting with. Don't know what I'm going to be having for dinner. But I'm looking forward to this. See you at the event.
Caitlinfotheringham. Are you student, staff, industry?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As a bunch of students, we managed to produce a car. Fundamentally, it's quite an impressive thing, but also it's a testament to kind of engineering at Glasgow University. 2018 results, 2 podium finishes, and overall placed 11th Scottish champions in the Strathclyde line. Beat Edinburgh, Kerry Watt, Aberdeen. 6th in the UK as well. We focus on our aircraft being reliable, reusable, and rebuildable in a shed anywhere in the world. That is what we focus on in terms of engineering.
Would you be interested in getting a phone? Yeah, I used Arduino.
And we're done! All in all, a very enjoyable evening. I was approached by some companies. Some companies wanted to hire me. Well, maybe not. Some companies were definitely advertising themselves around me. Networking is quite fun, I find, from the events I've been to anyway. Just chatting to different people, learning about them. It was good, just sharing experiences. Sat with people I didn't know, but that was fine. Chatted, got to know them. After the meal, you could walk around, so I spoke to other engineering students. It's fun. And now it's time to go home. Good night, and good night. Night. Real-time computer systems.
Memory location. Meow, register.
Double lecture to make up for jury duty. Woo!
The size of a cat. Actually, whatever you do, that is a bad size to be for an electronic component.
Hello, got our first lab today, a proper electronics lab. Look how pink I am. This is fun.
This was when it wasn't auto-scale, so that would have been cool, and you could watch it auto-scale.
Oh no, that would be cool. Check this out.
2 and 2.5.
Wow.
That was less dramatic.
Let's build this. Here we go. Let's solder it. Sure. Done mine. Sarah's on hers. Gonna trim. Snip, 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 snip. Let's find the resonance. We're almost there. I think we're at it.
This doesn't do anything.
No.
It's fine-tuning.
I think that's it. Nice. Yay.
So we're looking.
We might have to decrease the frequency again. Oh, it must be Fourier. Oh, the square waves, actually sine waves. It just looks like you're doing everything because I'm filming. Beep, 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 beep. Finding the harmonic. Let me sing. Why? It's so cruel. Finding the harmonic. You love the Finding the Harmonic song.
I hate it with all my heart.
Finding the harmonic. Looks so funky. You can look at the picture page.
Can we make them wider?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. What is a multiple fish? Right, I'm just
Whoa, you're using your music theory to cheat.
That should be 4.
Looks good. Nice job.
Okay, now you go back to 0, right?
Oh gosh, I am so red. I hope I'm not usually this red.
Compared to my nose, it's not my best though.
Are you addicted to drinking whiskey? Or are you Rudolph?
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Rudolph only works one day of the year.
Sounds
It's a better
like
deal,
you.
to be honest. Yeah, sounds like me.
More harmonics have been found. The lab is coming to an end.
This is really important science.
We can find the harmonics and then we'll be done. The last harmonic. Harmonics are so cool.
That's my impression of a harmonic.
Wow, that was fantastic. Yeah.
Okay, this is the newest one.
Well, we can get better.
No. Oh, right, okay.
No. I think we could change the...
No, I know what I'm doing.
Okay, so well done. Found all the harmonics. Well, not all the harmonics.
Going all the way down to
5 is the standard number. Hello. Good Saturday evening. What have I been doing all day? I've been editing videos. I uploaded the Glasgow Uni vlog 3.0 video this morning, and I've edited all of the Lithgow vlog 3.5. Other than that, I've been coughing a lot and fighting the phlegm. I hope to make it to volleyball tomorrow. For now, I'm going to go to bed. I look forward to just being in bed, all nice and warm. Sleep well. I know I will. See you in the morning. Bye! Morning! As much as I'd like to play volleyball today, I think it would be best for everyone if I didn't edited videos and did some uni work instead. I don't want to infect anyone. I don't want to get a headache either. No volleyball today. Very sad. I missed it on Thursday as well. No volleyball all week. Bye! Hello, I've ventured outside. This morning I've been editing this year's subcrawl video, so I thought it was only appropriate to sport last year's subcrawl t-shirt. Quite a lot of similarities, some differences. I'm going to get some carrots, and Sarah and I are going to have a roast later on. Sunday traditions, well, not for us, but in Britain. See you later. Bye! Ooh, roast time! You're so good. Yes, Sarah. Check out the veg sizzling away. A roast, baby. Nom, 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 nom. Lovely and red. Hello! Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, could you please give it a like? Thank you. Let us cast our minds back to the start of the video when we go on the pub quiz. In the facial recognition round, I thought that one of the faces was Mrs. DeVito. That's terrible. I should have called Mrs. DeVito by her name, Rhea Perlman. The right answer wasn't Rhea Perlman, it was Margaret Atwood. However, I think the two look very similar. See, here is Rhea Perlman, here is Margaret Atwood, and here is a face morph of the two. See, they do look alike. No offense intended. Another thing, I think it's somewhat ironic to be promoting sustainable technology whilst consuming a lot of meat myself, which is very unsustainable. Therefore, I've made a conscious decision to eat less meat. For our planet, my planet, your planet, our planet. In next week's video, I show you how I constructed my mirror. I also go to a concert and we visit Loch Lomond. Balloch. Very fun times. To make sure you don't miss that video, if you haven't already, could you please subscribe and for the ringham, the notification bell, so you'll be notified when that video comes out. Don't want you to miss it. Until I see you again, I hope you have a wonderful time. Ciao for now.